Instructional video on how to change the interchangeable lens system on a Serfas TSL 750, 550, or 350. Number 1. Remove the battery if it is inserted into the light body using the supplied universal headlight bracket. Number 2. Pull the USB cover away from the light. 3. Using the Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws from the front end of the light. Okay, once all the screws are removed, hold the light where the metal and nylon meet towards the base of the light, as shown right there. Next, you're going to pull the metal cap away with the screws. Number 5, now remove the rubber gasket. And 6, you're going to take your fingers and pull the lens assembly out, being careful not to touch any of the LED board in the light. Next, you're going to sit down the body of the light. You're going to use the Allen wrench to pop the lens holder away from the lens. Next, you're going to insert the desired lens into the carrier. And 8, you're going to take these 2 little pins and insert them into the holes on the board of the light. Just like so. Next, you're going to replace the rubber gasket, making sure that the USB hole, the hole for the USB port, goes on the USB side. You're going to push down firmly against the body of the light. Next, you're going to replace the metal cap and fasten all 4 screws. You'll notice when they're tight, it'll be noticeably tight up against the casing of the light, and the screws will need a ton of force to keep turning. Once you meet the portion where they're hard to turn and they're noticeably tight, stop tightening. That is tight enough. After you're done with putting in the 4th screw, you're going to reinsert the battery. And check the light to make sure it functions properly.